Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to download YouTube video for WhatsApp status. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm gonna guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the YouTube app. Once you're in YouTube, find the video that you want to download. You need to open the properties of the video. Here you can see the three-dot icon beside the video title. Tap on it. Now tap on share. Here you can see copy link option. Tap on it. Now the link for this video is copied. Now head over to your preferred web browser. After you're in your browser, tap on the search bar, search for YouTube video downloader. You'll see different options in the search results. The first option is savefrom.net. You can choose this website to download the YouTube video. So tap on it. In this website, you'll see this enter the URL option. Tap on it. Now paste the YouTube link you just copied and tap on this arrow. Now it will find the video from YouTube. After it finds the video, here you can see the download option. Tap on it. And in order to download this, you can tap on this download video option. Now the YouTube video is being downloaded into your device. The download is complete now. Now you can head over to WhatsApp. Now in order to upload the WhatsApp status, head over to this update section over here. Tap on my status. And you can see the video you just downloaded from the YouTube. So tap on it. It will load the video. And now in order to upload it, tap on the send button. And there you go. That's how you can download YouTube video for WhatsApp status. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.